Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the login failed error on Gumroad in 2026. Are you getting a login failed error on Gumroad? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you the most common causes and how to fix them quickly. Before we start, I'll give you a quick guide on how to set up your Gumroad account. You're just gonna go to your web browser and then type in your Gumroad in the search bar. After that, you're gonna log in and click on the website and make sure you log in with your account. You can use your Google account, your Outlook account, or email to set up your store. Now, after you create your account, the first thing you want to do to fix this issue of login errors is to check your credentials. You're going to make sure your email and password are typed correctly and check for lock, cap locks, extra spaces, and also wrong email addresses. If that doesn't work, try resetting your password. Click Forgot Password and reset via email. You can also clear the browser's cache by clicking on the three dots on your browser here, and then you're gonna click on Delete Browsing Data. After that, you're gonna choose Cached Images and Cookies or etc. Sometimes cookies cause login errors, so try clearing the cache or try incognito mode like this. You can also disable extensions, ad blockers or security extensions can interfere temporarily, so disable them and try them again. And if nothing works, try checking the server status. If nothing works, Gumroad may experience a temporary issue, so try again later because the problem is on their end. Always use a strong but memorable password. Enable the two-factor authentication for security. Now most login errors are simple fixes. Just follow the steps and you'll be back in quickly. And this is for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.